Alright, I'm gonna dump it.
Alright now, I'll go get some more bricks. Everyone else get back to work.
Great. We're out of bricks. Sorry, I went to the store to get some more bricks and my tractor broke down. Here. Now let's build. We're out of bricks again. Yeah, and I'm too lazy to go back to get more, are you? Yes. Are you? Yes! Hey, you guys get to work or you're fired. Okay. Hey, you in the orange tank tops, you're fired. What? Why? Because you did not get up when I told you to get back to work. Ugh. Here. We run out of bricks fast. Speaking of bricks, this one right here is crooked. I know this sounds crazy, but I quit. Bye.
Me too.